So all set to start from Srinagar towards Kargil. So we've got about 170 kilometers to cover today, and today is the first day where we are going to cross the very first pass, which is Zozila Pass, and after which we have which is Kargil War Memorial. We'll go there as well, and then finally reach Kargil. And a couple of things I will inform you as we go forward. So first we'll get Sonmarg, which is about close to 30 minutes to 45 minutes ride from here. So we are starting from Srinagar towards Kargil. So today is the day when the chillness will start hitting. So it will be cold as we go. So as we go closer to Sonmarg, it will start getting chilly and cold, and because yesterday none of our bags came in, so all our thermals, everything is in the backup car, and the backup car is yet to reach us. So hopefully they will come today and reach Kargil by the time we are in Kargil. Hope that happens. If not, again we will have no clothes and no thermal liners, extra gloves, all of that are there in the backup vehicle. So we'll have to compromise with all of that and probably buy something locally. We'll see how that goes as in when day progresses. हेमंत भाई रुको रुको, हेमंत भाई रुको रुको, ये फ्यूल डालना है रुको. So we've stopped for a quick break. In fact, it was planned for a quick break to fix up motorcycles. So a couple of motorcycles had issue. One of the motorcycle was Deepu's motorcycle, which is currently getting fixed here. So he was getting a grinding sound all the time on the motorcycle, and what had happened was his chain got bent. So he changed the tire last time. During that, the sleeve was missing, and he rode it for maybe 200-300 meters, and after which his chain got bent, and that's why all the time he's been getting a grinding sound. But now that's fixed. We are on our way. While that's been done, Anvesh has some moves to show. Anvesh, can you just show us the dance move, please, one last time? So some dance move from Anvesh. Check out. He's got some happy feet. वो वाला दोनों करो तो. हाँ. अरे वाह. Happy feet. अभी ओ जाना last one वो. हाँ वो वाला. हाँ. कैसे भी करो, करना है. Next time you guys want to book a dancer for your any kind of function, here is Anvesh Krishna. Especially for you guys. Well, there's some serious work happening here. This is to lighten the mood from Anvesh. Huh? So finally done with all the service of motorcycles, and it's time for us to go ahead. We spent an hour here easily. So it's time to roll now. The localites here, when it comes to motorcycles, they have amazing skill. They ride like crazy, and most of the time they don't follow the road rules. They are either triples, not wearing helmet, so that way they are not taking care of themselves and not breaking rules. But from the talent point of view, they're actually very, very talented riders. If they just follow certain rules, they can be really be good examples. But then unfortunately that's not the case. Sonmarg is about 50 kilometers and Kargil is about 170 kilometers. And to our right hand side we will get this river or water flowing continuously for a couple of kilometers, and this water are all the glaciers which are melting. And as the day passes, the force of that water increases, because around peak afternoon is when the glacier melts the most, and that's when it becomes super fast, and those are -degree freezing water. We need to be extremely careful with those water. And this is another sight you get to see here: sheeps. All of these crossing roads, just creating barriers for us to slow down. You see to your right hand side there's full snow peaks, and also to our left hand side there is snow peak. And as we go higher and as we climb higher and higher, it's only going to get cooler and all of it. So left hand side also there's a lot of mountain peaks. So this is where it all starts. And this year, I don't know, for whatever reason, the snow peaks are still there, and otherwise by this time they'll all be melting. But then there has been a major change in the weather condition, and because of that there's snow peak all the time. And we have our military men working. Let's go. Look at that beautiful view right in the towards my right hand side. So today expected weather condition in Kargil is going to be as low as 6 degrees. That's probably when we reach in the evening. That's going to be super cold though, and we only wish and hope that our backup vehicle reaches on time, so that all of us can get our thermal liners on time. Otherwise it's going to be one freezing night. And check out the snow peaks. And as we are going towards Sonmarg, the snow-capped mountains are getting closer and closer. Look at that beautiful snow-capped mountain. Across all of these are snow-capped mountains for us now. And we're just getting closer and closer to snow-capped mountains as we travel ahead. Beautiful. Look at that. Looks so good. And look at the mountain ranges. You've got like super mountain ranges, and then nice snow-capped mountain. So last season when I came, this wasn't the case. All the snow was melted. But this time they have an extended version, I believe. The snow-capped mountains are still there. It's extended kind of a thing this time. And the road started getting a little narrow. It'll get widened again. It's just for a couple of kilometers. Again it'll get into a proper highway road. And today we have about maximum 12 to 15 kilometers of off-roading, that is towards Zozila Pass. Otherwise the roads are fantastic throughout the journey till Kargil. Only near Zozila Pass the weather will be slight, as in the road will be slightly bad roads and off-roads as well. And today is our first day when we are going to cross our first pass, which is Zozila Pass, also known as the Killer Pass. Why Killer Pass? Because earlier days this was the most dangerous pass, and everybody used to get scared or get chills when they had to cross this, because a lot of deaths used to happen while crossing this. I'm talking way back, way back. So it's just not in the last couple of years also, way back. That's why it's also named as a killer pass. And you will get a milestone where it will be mentioned Zozila Pass, and also there will be a milestone which will say Killer Pass as well. So there's a huge army convoy which is going. These are all the supplies which will go for the army people. It includes grocery, it includes clothes, it includes medicine support, all of it. So this is their regular convoy supply which is going, and that's why there's a little bit of blockage as we go. At the same time, right in front of us, there's super snow caps. And luckily we have motorcycles, so that's why you are able to kind of maneuver and go between these and overtake and go. But if it's car, it will be very difficult, and army guys don't allow anybody to go ahead as well. That's what it is. And look at that snow cap, so close, so close.
Wow, road.
Fantastic. Bike boys. Check out that beautiful water flow right next to us. We have been traveling along with that for a long time now, and the topography here is completely changed, and you can see a big snow mountain there, not mountains, just kind of a frozen water or whatever you can call it. And you can see all the pine tree. You see here to this side of your mountain is all the pine trees, and the vegetation is similar to the left hand side. You will see one particular side where the vegetation on the right is different and the vegetation on the left hand side will be totally different. So two different vegetation, but in this case, in either sides you have pine trees, beautiful pine trees. Nice, it's so soothing to watch something like this. Wonderful. And here you see full snow. And right ahead, the patch, you can see a complete white patch. That's complete snow, the white patch that you see. Check that out, complete snow there. Here it feels a little chilly now, and those are the snow that's melting, and you will see these water bodies getting more force as in when the day passes, because afternoon peak time is when there's huge gust of water flow when all of this keeps melting. This reminds me of Trans-Himalaya. And you will see here a lot of snow this time. Last time when I came, there was no snow at all here. But this time, plenty of snow, plenty of them. To my right, all these mountains have proper snow on them. Check that out, complete snow. So Hemant has some plan what he wants to do. Let's check that out. Is he going to take us down? Don't know. Check out that full snow mountain, and a quick break here. किस लिए रोका इधर?
उसको वीडियो बनानी है, पीछे कौन है एक्सप्रेस में?
किसकी वीडियो बनानी है?
पता नहीं क्या, नदी के पास रुकना।
Okay. Check out, boys are going there to feel the water. and DV just happened to touch the water and it was super cold. It's all that glaciers and ice melting down, and this water is that itself. It's super cold. And to follow that is our Anvesh boy. Your fingers just can get like pricking. It's that cold. So yeah, boys are just going there to have fun. But then they don't realize it's gonna be super cold. So let's just go near them. ಏನು ವಾಟರ್ ಇದಿತ್ತಾ ಹೀಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಾ? ಹೌದಾ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಟ್ರೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಹೌದು. ಮತ್ತೇನು ನೀವು ಇದಂತಿರಲ್ವಾ, ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ವಾಟರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗಿರೋದು ನುಬ್ರಾ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನುಬ್ರಾ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಫೀಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀರಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಯಿತಾ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಾಸ್, ಬೈಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಟಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐಸ್ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೀರು. ಸೊ ವಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಅರ್ಲಿ.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಲೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Second half will be super gusty. Sakkat gust. Super cold. See the change in hand color. White and here is yellow.
ಇನ್ನೂ ತಣ್ಣಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ
ಗಾಡಿ ಬೀಸಿದಾಗ. So yeah, we just stopped for a small break here. And yeah, see all the snow caps are here itself. And there's the X-Pulse. I am just having a ball of a time on this motorcycle. Special thanks to Hero for giving this motorcycle. There it is, looks so good. So let's hop onto the bike now in a bit.